Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on Funzy Cooking. For today's video, we are going to be making Ambur chicken biryani. Guys, trust me, I've tried this so many times to get it right. So just follow my steps. I made the video a bit slow so you don't miss out on anything. The things you'll need to make these yummy Ambur chicken biryani are: this recipe is for 500 grams or half kg chicken. You'll need around 4 to 5 onions, thinly sliced like this. I am showing you how to slice the onions. You'll also need thinly sliced tomatoes, around 5. Equal amount of onions and tomatoes. You'll need 2 sliced chilies. You can put how many ever chilies according to your taste of spiciness. But I'm using 2 because we are going to use a lot of red chili and it will make the biryani a bit spicy. So I'm warning you, if you want a less spicy, then just use 1 green chili. Guys, you need ginger and garlic in separate paste, not together, and please grind your ginger and garlic. Do not buy stock ginger and garlic because it will change the flavor. For the powder ingredients, you'll need around 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder. For the dry spices, you'll need 5 elaichi, few cinnamon sticks, few clove. You'll also need half cup of curd and a handful of pudina and coriander, not more, just a handful. You need to use jeera sambar rice and soak the rice when you just start to cook. Add some oil in a biryani bowl. Once the oil is warm, you can add in all your dry spices like cardamom, cinnamon and clove. Now let all the spices release its flavors into the oil. Just stir it until then. Once you feel your oil is flavored by these lovely spices, you can add just a handful of the sliced onions, not the whole lot, just a handful. And please separate your onions so they fry really well. Guys, the key ingredients for a yummy biryani is the caramelization of the onions. So follow this step. You need to fry the onions until they are turning to golden brown, not completely roasted. Keep checking on the bowl, don't put the onions and go away. Stir them for a while. Once your onions are caramelized, you can add in the ginger and garlic paste. Now roast this. Now fry this for a while. Don't let them burn. If you need more oil, then add in oil because you don't want your ginger and garlic to burn. They will change the flavor. Once the raw smell of the ginger and garlic is gone, you can add the red chili. Stir the red chili for just a minute, not more, and then you can add the remaining onions. And the green chili. Now fry this until the onions and the chili are completely cooked. Keep stirring them. I told you guys, don't let them. Just put them in the bowl and go away. You need to keep stirring. Once you feel all your onions are cooked, you can add the sliced tomatoes. You can add your chopped coriander and mint leaves and the curd. Now cook them until the oil is separated from the gravy. Cook until the tomato is completely cooked and it leaves this nice thick gravy. You can start smelling the Ambur biryani right now. If you ever walked past an Ambur biryani shop early in the morning, you can smell what you're smelling right now. Because they will be cooking the biryani early in the morning. So once your gravy is all ready and done, you can add in your chicken pieces. Add them one by one. And then give them a nice mix and let it cook. Add salt, give it a nice mix and let it cook in a closed bowl for around 2 minutes until the chicken is half cooked, not more. Once you check on the chicken and you feel the chicken is half cooked and see how the oil has separated, so this is the right time to add boiling water. You need to boil the water you're adding for the rice. Same proportion 1:2. 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. When you're going to add the rice, do not add normal water. This will stop the cooking process of the chicken and everything that's going on over there. Always boil your water and then add it to the chicken when you're going to add the rice. So once you add your water, bring it to a boil. Once you've added the boiled water, please check for salt and add salt if required. Now add the rice. Once the water starts to boil after you add the rice, cover it and cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes in high flame. After 8 to 10 minutes, just check on the rice. The water would have reduced and you can see the rice floating, like it's almost starting to cook. At this point of time, it's time to dum the biryani. Take off your biryani bowl, place a chapati pan on the gas and then keep your biryani bowl on it. Reduce the flame and cook this for about 15 minutes. Just check on it after 10 minutes. If you feel the rice is done, then switch off the gas and just leave it for the steam to escape. Okay, your Ambur chicken biryani is ready. I'm just going to dive into it. Just look how tender the meat is and the smell is amazing. Guys, please do give it a try and let me know how it went. Follow my every steps. If you have any doubts in any part of the video, then please leave a comment and I will answer it. Yum! The biryani is just yummy. Oh, that was some yummy biryani. I am tummy full. If you like today's video, then guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I have many more videos lined up for you. And guys, did I forget to mention, I have a tiny surprise for my viewers. If you want to know what it is, then subscribe to my channel because I will be announcing it in my coming videos. I will not tell you when, but in my coming videos. If you want to know what it is, then hit that bell button and subscribe to my channel. Until our next video, bye you guys.